Knowhow presents you 12 health benefits of garlic water and how to make it. Let food be the medicine and medicine be the food. Those are famous words from the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine. Hippocrates used to prescribe garlic to his patients to treat a variety of diseases. Modern research has recently confirmed many of these beneficial health effects of garlic. So in this video, we will be telling you not only the health benefits of garlic water, but also how to make it. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Number 1. Fights against acne. Garlic contains allicin, which fights against bacteria that causes acne. It also increases blood circulation, which allows the skin to receive more nutrients and is a great natural remedy for your skin problems. People take expensive glutathione therapies for improving their skin, but don't realize that nature has provided us with this great herb. Number 2. Boost sexual performance. Garlic contains allicin, which is a compound that increases blood flow to sexual organs. It's really a powerful aphrodisiac which boosts the sexual life of both men and women. The increase of blood flow in sexual organs really helps to feel more energetic and willing to do more. It contains vitamins and nutrients that increases sex drive. Consuming minimal or required amounts of garlic water daily increases sperm count and boosts sexual life both in men and women. Number 3. Makes hair healthy. Garlic is healthy for hair as it contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese and selenium. All of these vitamins and minerals are really beneficial for healthy hair. Number 4. Protects your eyes. Garlic has a significant role in production of glutathione, which is an important sulfur-containing protein that acts as an antioxidant for the lens of the eye. People take expensive glutathione therapies for improving their skin and to take other benefits, but don't realize nature has provided us with garlic. Number 5. Protects against cardiovascular diseases and hypertension. There are many researches published on the beneficial effects of garlic. It has been proved that garlic inhibits the enzymes involved in lipid synthesis and decreases total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol by 15 to 20%. It also prevents platelet aggregation and relieves oxidant stress of cells because of its antioxidant properties. This all plays a cardioprotective role. Number 6. Reduces the risk of cancer. Eating garlic also reduces the risk of certain carcinomas. American Institute for Cancer Research has provided a report on this fact after conducting a global research. It has been found that garlic compounds help in DNA repair and boosts many cellular defense systems. Thus it plays an important role in reducing the incidence of cancer, especially colorectal and skin carcinomas. Number 7. Boosts immune system. Immune system helps us combat different diseases, and garlic plays an important part in boosting it up. The active compound present in garlic, which is allicin, helps the body fight different diseases. It acts as an antibacterial and antiseptic compound, killing microbes and acting as a shield to the body. Number 8. Encourages weight loss. Garlic also helps in weight loss because it fastens metabolism and helps the body burn calories more efficiently. Garlic also acts as an appetite suppressant, reducing food intake and eventually boosting weight loss. It makes you feel full for a longer period of time and prevents you from overeating. This feeling of fullness reduces food intake and helps you reduce body fat. Number 9. Protects against cough, cold, and flu. Studies show that garlic can fight against cough and flu. It reduces chances of catching the illness in the first place by boosting your immune system. Drinking garlic water with honey before going to bed provides relief against coughing too. When the season changes, many people suffer from cough and flu. Garlic is also proved to have some antiviral properties, which can help you fight against the seasonal flu. Number 10. Relieves symptoms in asthma. Actually, asthma is an inflammatory process. And garlic can help you with that inflammation. Garlic contains a compound called diallyl disulfide. Diallyl disulfide is an anti-inflammatory compound that limits the effects of pro-inflammatory cytokines. Therefore, garlic can help fight inflammation. It reduces the symptoms of asthma as it reduces inflammation. Add garlic water in your daily routine, and you will see great results. Number 11. Protects against Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Alzheimer's disease is thought to be caused by the abnormal buildup of proteins in and around brain cells, which is a part of normal aging process. Similarly, dementia is caused by damage to the brain, especially by oxidative damage. Garlic contains antioxidants that protect the body against oxidative damage. High doses of garlic supplements have been shown to increase antioxidant enzymes in humans, as well as significantly reduce oxidative stress in those with high blood pressure. The combined effects on reducing cholesterol and blood pressure, as well as the antioxidant properties, may reduce the risk of common brain diseases like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Number 12. Improves athletic performance. Garlic is one of the earliest performance-enhancing substances known to man. There is evidence that it was traditionally used in ancient cultures to reduce fatigue and enhance the work capacity of laborers. It was given to Olympic athletes in ancient Greece to increase their strength and stamina. According to research, people with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks had a 12% reduction in peak heart rate and better exercise capability. Other studies suggest that exercise-induced fatigue may be reduced by using garlic water on a daily basis. How to make garlic water. There are different ways of making garlic water. All of them work, but we will discuss some easy and quick ways to save your precious time. Method number 1. Take 3 cloves of garlic in a glass and pour boiled hot water in it. Cover it and let it come to room temperature. Use this mixture in the morning empty stomach for maximum effect. If you don't like the taste, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey for great taste and results. Method number 2. Put 3 cloves of chopped garlic in boiling water and let it boil for 5 minutes. Once it comes to room temperature, add honey according to your desired taste and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning for maximum results. Method number 3. Another way of making garlic water is to add 3 to 5 cloves of garlic in water and give it a real mix using a blender. Leave the water overnight as this water will absorb all the nutrients and desired minerals in it. Boil this water for 3 minutes and drink it on an empty stomach. Before you add garlic water in your diet, it is very important to know that the National Institute of Health has advised that taking garlic may increase your risk of bleeding. So, if you take a blood thinner such as warfarin, or if you will be undergoing surgery, don't add garlic water in your diet or consult with your doctor before doing so. Also, garlic has been found to interfere with the effectiveness of some drugs that are used to treat HIV infection. If you are not suffering from such a condition, you can add it in your daily diet and enjoy all the health benefits of garlic water. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Enjoyed the video? Hit the like button and share the video with your friends too. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you.